families who have spent the day indoors, stepped outside briefly, let the NHS workers know just how much they're appreciated.
We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again.
Prime Minister Boris Johnson has been admitted to intensive care.
People are hoping that it's suddenly going to move from where we are now in lockdown suddenly into everything's gone. That is a wholly unrealistic expectation.
As long as people go on contributing, I'll go on walking. As long as they contribute, I'll walk.
They talk about an evil virus, and it is. It's an evil, evil virus.
How can they carry on working? Not for a family?
It took us a number of weeks to get the PPE that we needed.
I don't know how next month we're going to be able to treat
coronavirus has exposed the historic problems in the care system.
We don't know